how to use Binance Auto Investment Plan, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Binance Auto Invest. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up Binance.com and you will land right here on this platform. Binance is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade on crypto. We will be able to find a lot of different options. We have buy crypto, which allows us to buy crypto with credit card, debit card, and bank deposit. We have a huge marketplace on Binance. We have trading options where we can we can do spot trading, margin trading. We have P2P, is strategy trading, and more. Then we have derivatives, which gives us the futures option. We have then options right here, leveraged tokens, and more. And then in Earn, we actually find the auto invest option, which allows us to accumulate crypto on autopilot. So we will be checking out this option today. Let's get into the video. First of all, once you get to Binance.com, you need to register, which is very important. So you're just going to click on register right here and sign up for Binance.com. The signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your email address or phone number. You can also sign up with your Google account or Apple. Keep in mind, you will need to verify your phone number and your email address in order to use Binance. Click on I agree to terms and services and create a personal account with Binance and you will get to the dashboard. After the initial sign up or sign in to your Binance.com, I want you guys to go to the earn option and then you're going to click on auto invest. So here we are, auto invest plan. You can also go to binance.com/auto invest. With auto invest, we will be able to accumulate crypto on autopilot. You can log into your account, obviously, to check out your holding details. Now we need to understand how we create an auto invest plan on Binance and what is an auto invest plan before we check out the different options. Regularly invest in cryptocurrency with a predetermined amount and accumulate your crypto holdings. So this is actually an automated process that we create, and we don't need to actually, invest every day, set up an amount every day, monitor everything. So that is why we create a plan, we create a strategy, and we just invest. You can see we have two steps. Start creating your auto invest plan. Pick a coin you want to invest in, decide your investment amount, and schedule a recurring plan. Enjoy the auto invest plan while earning passive income. So this is a really good way to earn using cryptocurrency. We can make a way to earn passive income because we're just entered an amount, we selected a coin, and we're investing in it every day. We've just scheduled this whole automated process, and now it's happening and we're just making a passive income. So that's what the basic information we get on Binance. So we're going to scroll down now and I'll show you how to auto invest plan with Binance. First of all, we have different products available. In products, we have all of the coins. We have PNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, One, AP. If I scroll down a little bit more, you can actually click on view more and it will show you all of the products. The marketplace on Binance is pretty huge for all of the different options we have. We have Polygon, Polkadot, Avex, Cardano, Phantom, all of these available here. Before we continue, I would also like to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and investing in crypto involves a high degree of risk and whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you know everything about the investment, you know everything about crypto, and then you can get started. I am showing you around Binance.com and as a complete beginner how you can create an auto invest plan with Binance. That being said, let's continue. So this is our marketplace right here and you will select your product. I will be going with BNB for now. You can see we have historical ROI. This is the percentage right here. Keep in mind the percentages and the prices are at the time of making this video. Once you have checked out the historical ROI, you're going to select the time frame. If you want it to be 3 year, 1 year, 6 month, 3 month, 7 day, and of course, the longer you hold something, the more profit you will be getting, or the longer the plan, then of course you will get more profit maybe, and it also depends on the market. It involves a risk as well, but you can risk it all and kind of like create a whole plan for like 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, 7 days. It totally depends on you. Then we have this graph right here that I will show you in a second, show a chart. But you can see we have a spot price for the product, and then we have create a plan. Before you click on create a plan, you're going to click on show a chart so that you can get an idea that what's happening with the product that you're selecting. For instance, I selected, this is for BNB. So you will select the percentage, you will be able to see the APR of the coin, and you can kind of like see that okay, this is the highest price. Now you will create your strategy depending on this graph. You will create a plan with all of these aspects in mind, that okay, this is the APR, this is the time frame. So what I should do, once you check out the chart from here, then you're going to click on create a plan. Once you click on create a plan, and you will be able to proceed with it. For the purpose of the video, I will not be doing that, but you will just enter your amount, and you will enter your plan. It's actually really easy to use Binance.com. First, you can also buy crypto. And to buy crypto, what you will do is you will click on this option right here of buy crypto, and then you can buy crypto with your credit or debit card. This is the easiest way. In order to buy a crypto, you will just enter the amount right here in your fiat currency, in USD, or if you're using any other currency. You will click on what you want to receive, and then you can also just click on recurring buy. So this is also involved in the investment right here if you're doing the recurring buying and selling. So you can see right here, the estimate price is at the time of making this video. Before you get started with your auto invest plan, you can actually buy your coin so that you can invest, and you have that amount in your wallet, in your account of Binance. Once you have it, then what you will do is you will just enter your amount, use the crypto that you just bought, schedule a recurring plan. So it's really important to schedule it according to you, and kind of like keep in mind all of the different parameters while scheduling. For this, you will require the basic knowledge of investment and of crypto. So make sure to get that before you get started with Binance.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part, and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.